I just received this massive package from Sigma Beauty, so I'm very, very, very excited about this. So let's start unboxing it and see what we got. Okay, so you know I love unboxing videos. You know I love creating them, I love watching them, and at the end of the day, who doesn't love free makeup? I know I'll do. So today I have this huge package, very heavy package from Sigma Beauty, and I have not actually seen what's inside it yet. So together, you and I, we are going to unbox this, see what's inside, and let's just get started. Okay, so first and foremost, thank you so much, Sigma, if you happen to be watching this video. This is very, very generous of you. I appreciate the support so, so much. So first off, we have the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. Look at that packaging. Oh my gosh. There are 6 shades in here, as you can see on the back. This is what it looks like inside. How stunning. Okay, next up we have the Ivy Eyeshadow Palette. Looks like this. How gorgeous. Yes, you know I'm looking at that blue at the bottom. It's called Thistle. It's gonna look so gorgeous on these lids. Alrighty, next up we have the Cordurosa Palette. Oh my gosh, let me take that out. Looks like this. Ooh, that brush come flying at me. Hello. How stunning. I'm loving this. The color story in this is so beautiful. It definitely reminds you of like a Huda Beauty kind of moment, but it's very like desert, sunset, stunning. And damask right here. Yes, please. Yes, please. Not that, right. Yeah, that one. So gorgeous. And it comes with a brush and it feels fluffy and soft and we love that. So I'll be using this for a tutorial ASAP. Okay, so I've wanted this. I've wanted this for so long. I'm not even joking. I saw my friend Christopher use this. Oh, this is gonna make life so much easier. Essentially, it's a dry and shape tower, so it helps with your makeup brushes, so you can like hang them and, oh my gosh. Hello, there's 3 levels and you can just literally hang all your makeup brushes in it. That way they dry and the bristles don't get messed up. That's gonna save me so much time and effort, and oh my gosh. Honestly, out of this entire box, I know that this is gonna be the most exciting thing in it because I've legitimately wanted this for so long. Oh, I'm so excited. It's the little things in life. Okay, so we have quite a few more products to get through. Next, we have a Prime and Control Brow Wax. So this has a twist-up applicator and built-in sharpener. It's smooth, transparent formula, tames and holds unruly brows in place. So let's just that right out. How cool does it feel like? Oh, it's just, I mean, yeah, I know it's wax, but like, that's a cool feeling. And then it's got a built-in sharpener. Oh, convenient. How amazing is that? Definitely excited to try that out. I've never used a product like this before. And then we have a Sigma 3D HD blender, which is latex-free. Love it. Always excited to try out a new beauty sponge. Can I say that the Sigma packaging is stunning? Like the unit cartons and just everything is so beautiful. And like, look at this. Hello, sleek, gorgeous, black, shiny, hello. So this is their Infinity Point lipstick. This is in the shade Epiphany. Oh, this is stunning. Look how gorgeous. Hold on. That is gorgeous. Yes. Ooh, and it looks so smooth. It almost doesn't even look real. It's that smooth and shiny. Love that for me, honestly. Next, we have a Sigma liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Fable, and I already know this is literally going to be a perfect shade for me. I love my mauves, my burgundies, my purples, my plums. So this looks like this. God, I love their packaging so much. How gorgeous. Let's see what the wand looks like, the applicator. Okay, just standard, love it. This type of applicator works perfectly for my lips and just like how I like to do my lipstick, so that's a plus. Next we have a liquid pen eyeliner. Felt tip delivers intense liquid color in one deeply saturated swipe. We'll have to put that to the test. So this is, I'm assuming black. Yes, just a normal felt tip liner. I'm obsessed with their packaging, honestly. Like, I love the components and everything. I love the sleek black. I like it, just very modern, and the shiny text on it and everything is just perfect for what I like. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to some brushes and brush accessories. So for starters, we have this giant Sigmagic brush shampoo foam. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Like, sorry, the lighting on everything is like very reflective, like, sorry. But this is nice because I'm running out of my brush shampoo. Oh my God, this is literally like waking up on Christmas, I swear to you. This is literally heaven for me. Like, not only am I getting all these awesome products that are like free, which is fantastic, but like, it's from a great brand that I just love the aesthetic of so much, and I've heard nothing but good things about the quality. So I'm very excited. But next we have another brush cleaner. This is a liquid version of the last one. Yeah, so this is just a foam and this is a liquid, so I'm assuming that they're gonna do the exact same thing. It probably just comes down to preference. I would like to try the foam out because I've never used a foam cleanser for my brushes. Then we have a Sigma Spa Express brush cleaning mat. It's a compact silicone mat for hands-free brush care. How cool. How cool, because I wash them out. I wash my brushes on my hands, so it's nice to actually have something that's gonna make it much faster and more efficient and have a better result, honestly. Then we have the 2-in-1 makeup brush cleanser tool. So this deep cleans makeup brushes. It has a natural formula that's gentle and effective. So what does this do? It has suction cups so you can put it in the sink, cleans without harsh chemicals, scrubs away product. Okay, cool, I already read that. So let me just open this up so I can really see it. Oh, okay, that makes so much more sense to me now that I take the top of it off. So literally, it is a brush cleaner and product like all in one. So you can see it has the little silicone nubs, if you will, to help clean the product as you're brushing it through, but it literally has the product built into it. It smells just like clay. That is so cool. I have never seen something like this. How insanely efficient is that? Wow, that's amazing. We love innovation. Love it. Also, I do know they have a new brush switch coming out, so like excited to try that. Last but most certainly not least are some new brushes from Sigma. I hear that Sigma brushes are like the standard for high quality brushes. So we have the F80 flat Kabuki brush. So the bristles are very, very soft. Can we just talk about my makeup today? Are we obsessed? Anyway, back to the brushes. So feels very, very soft. Love it. Feels kind of heavy, which is nice. Doesn't feel cheap in any way. Then we have a classic face brush set. There are 5 top rated brushes. Okay, we have the F30 large powder brush. Love this. Very, very soft. This will be what I use for my bronzing. I definitely love this type of brush for that. Then we have the F80 flat Kabuki brush, just another one that we had from earlier. So I just have an extra one of those. Yeah. Then we have the large angle contour brush. This is the F40 brush. So I'll use this for my blush most likely. Then we have a tapered highlighter brush. This is the F35 brush. This will be fantastic for highlighting my cheekbones. And lastly, we have the F64 soft blend concealer brush. Super excited about this. Normally, I like to blend out my concealer under my eyes, especially with a damp little mini beauty sponge. So I'm excited for this because it literally, as you can see, goes right where you need it to. So definitely excited to try this out for sure. But that is this entire package from Sigma Beauty all unboxed. Thank you so much for sending me all of these goodies. I'm so grateful for it. Thank you so much for supporting myself and my artistry, and thank you for creating such amazing looking products. But that's all I have for you guys today. Please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you have the day you deserve.